Zaliha?
Yeah?
How are you doing?
Not good. I haven't cooked the rice. The rice is like 15, 20 minutes.
But the rice goes with the main course?
Yeah.
You've got enough time for that?
I hope so.
You're not panicking unduly, are you?
No, I'm not.
Really hope she managed to achieve is a nice little kind of crunchy on the outside, nicely kind of strongly flavoured fish cake, nice and moist, delicious fish in the middle.
How long is it going to take?
It's going to take just a few more minutes, just get it brown.
And all the accompaniments are done?
Yep.
Well done.
Lots of kind of heat and spices in there, tempered with that mango and pepper salad. I think it sounds delicious.
Very pretty. Is that it now?
Yeah, that's it. Yep.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Off you go. It's nice. Really nice.
Hello.
Hi. Thank you.
Today I've made for you fish cutlets, and I serve it with mango pepper salad and homemade sweet chili sauce.
This is exactly what I was hoping for. It has got all the flavour I was expecting and more. It is laden with wonderful layers of spice. It's got that kick of chilli, which is verging on kind of hiccup-inducing, which is how you kind of want the chilli to be.
What she's got really well is the contrasting bits and pieces, that kind of nice, sweet, sticky, spicy chilli sauce to go with it, and then the really kind of fresh and refreshing kind of salsa on the side. It's just absolutely delicious.
This dish has been cooked by somebody who has an enormous amount of pride in what they do.
It's vibrant, it's alive with flavours. And then you've got all that lovely fruit as well, which has also got little flakes of chilli in it. John, that's lovely. That is dancing in my mouth.
I've got a little bit of spicy sweat upon my brow. Satisfaction, they call that.
Now, Zaliha,
Yeah.
you haven't got your rice on, have you?
No.
How long does the rice take?
I hope it's like 15 minutes.
Right, because that's all you've got.
And I want that curry to be laden with spice, almost that kind of fiery heat. I'm hoping it's this kind of rich, golden, turmeric bowl of delight.
Oh, that rice is touch and go, isn't it, eh? Touch and go on the rice.
Yep.
Imagine serving a curry in Malaysia without rice.
Cannot happen.
The bit I'm actually really excited about is the pickle. I think when you have a dish like that, you need something just to refresh the palate.
Your chicken cooked?
Yep. All done.
Brilliant.
Yep.
Is it how you want it?
Yep.
So all we're waiting for is that rice.
Yes.
All right, you're 4 minutes over.
Oh, God.
All right. Is it done?
Yeah.
We've got to go now,
Yeah,
Sally.
I think that's it.
Fantastic.
Good.
Happy?
Yeah.
Off you go. Well done. 5 minutes over.
Oh, God.
I hope that rice is cooked.
Hi.
Hello.
Sorry for the delay.
Is that right? Oh, wow.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Today I've made for you gulai pahang. It's sort of chicken cooked in spices and coconut milk, tomato rice, and pineapple and cucumber chutney. Thank you.
She's a little bit late, but I mean, you know, you'd almost queue up for this kind of
I would.
food. I would wait another hour to eat this.
The depth of flavour, it's just so rich and so intensely flavoured. And the chutney or the pickle at the end just weaves it all together, and it's just incredible.
One of my favourite bits is this little potato here, which has just absorbed all those lovely spices. It's rich, it's warming, it's really, really comforting, and this just ticks all the boxes.
Oh. That lady has done that chicken great honour, and we've got heat, and we've got spice that's making my lips numb. That's lovely.